So guys, it was cloudy all this while, but today it seems to be a good day because it's quite sunny and it's cold. It's a beautiful day. Let me just pan my camera so probably you can see how it looks like. You see? So this is my favorite weather because when it's sunny in the morning I really like it the most. So guys, I won't be going for a long ride because I have time constraints. So I'll be taking a shorter ride. I started at 6 in the morning, so it's been about an hour now. So I have to go back home. So I'm not sure if I can show you the journey, but I'll try my best to get down in between and then shoot a short video and share it with you as to how it all looks like. I can only tell you that life is in full swing. I'm near the ring road, and I can say that life is in full swing because I can see the vehicles flying on the road. People are out jogging, and the buses are traveling too, and there are people inside the bus. Of course, it's not as crowded as it used to be like before, but yeah, I can say life is in full swing, and it is in fact very near to being normal. And here in Bangalore we have the cases rising. We have about 80,000 plus cases, and I do see people to be a bit cautious. They are cautious, of course, because I see most of them are wearing masks and they are indeed maintaining the social distance that they are supposed to. But then a room of laxity can cause everything go down to the drain, so we all have to be careful. Nonetheless, did you hear the bell? So I'm standing near a temple, okay, and I think the priest just came now. Probably he started with his morning prayers. So let me just go, and I'll take a shorter ride. So I'll take a left from here, go about some 1 or 2 kilometers, and then take a U-turn and come back home. Okay, so please stay with me, and thanks for joining, guys. So guys, as I said, I'm near the ring road, and as I told you, life is in full swing. You can see that the road is busy. You can see all sorts of vehicles are flying on the road, from a tractor to a car to a bus. So a couple of buses just passed by, so I think we'll have to wait for a bit, about some time for another bus to come. There you go. Can you see that bus across the road? Well, that's an empty bus. But the other buses that just passed by, they were not full, but yeah, they were sort of occupied by 75%. There was a social distancing, of course. I could see that from outside. And yeah, life is getting back to normal, so that's a good sign, because you can't stay in the lockdown forever, and obviously you can't keep people confined at their home. People have to go out and they have to move around. Life just can't come to a standstill because of corona. We can't be so afraid of it. Of course we have to be cautious, but that doesn't mean that we can be chained at our own home for long. And yeah, we just have to be cautious, and we have to fight this corona, and I'm sure we are going to be the winner. And what I'm doing, guys, is it's a good thing that I'm doing that. I cycle every day, and I recommend everyone to do it. If not cycling, any other form of exercise that they do, so that they can keep fit and they can be healthy, right? And you can see some women are cycling too. That's a great thing. Yeah, so anything that you do, guys, anything physical activities that you do, so you must do that. If you're not doing, please start now. Anything, if you're not able to do anything, at least start by walking. Trust me, walking is one of the great exercises. There is nothing better than walking, they say. A brisk walking is equal to any other form of exercise. So please get down to walking if you are not able to do anything else at all. Because I have done walking quite a bit, guys. Probably a couple of years back, when I used to live in Rajaji Nagar, we had a big park. So out there, I used to walk for about 1 or 1.5 hours. I used to do brisk walking, and trust me, I lost a lot of weight. And it was not losing the weight that really pleased me. What pleased me was the internal feeling. I felt revitalized, I felt alive, to be honest, and I felt a kind of sense of satisfaction, a sense of happiness, a sense of joy. Basically, it was a feeling of achievement. So yeah, I felt very nice. So guys, if you're not into something, then please continue to do that, or at least start doing it. So I should start now. Let me just show you the temple. Yeah, because I was standing here, so let me just show you how it looks like. And guys, do you see these blue bikes? I would have told you in my previous videos that these are the Yulu bikes, right? The Yulu cycle, the Yulu bikes. It's a great initiative here in Bangalore, and I've heard that these bikes are there in other cities also. So all you have to do is you have to just download the app, the Yulu app, right? And you have to pay some money. You have to upload your driving license, and then you have to search for the bike. So you can find the bike in docks like this. So these are called the dock, right, where the bikes are placed, and you can pick it up from there, right? Nice, isn't it? So that's the temple, guys, and that's the priest who is starting his morning prayers. And that's the way ahead. So I'll be riding about 2 kilometers, and then from there I'll take a ride. I know it is 2 kilometers because that's what it was showing in my phone earlier. Okay, so let's start. So guys, that's the way ahead. I'm going slow because I'm on the service road, so I have to be careful. So guys, I'm near the circle. It is called the Banaswari Circle, and I will show you around how it looks like. It looks very beautiful because because the view is very nice from here. Let me just turn the camera around. So guys, this is what I was talking about. Yeah, you can see around. As I told you, life is getting back to normal gradually. And this is the view I was talking about. So that is the ring road down there, what you can see. And I'm not sure if you have ever traveled on this road, but if you haven't, then you must try once. For those who are in Bangalore, and of course the people in other cities, if they have a ring road, which I'm sure they must be having, so I think they would be knowing what a pleasure it is to ride on the ring road, because the roads are just awesome. So same is the case over here too. So I have traveled on this road God knows how many times, and I have always enjoyed it. It's really it feels like a free fall, a free ride. You really enjoy every bit of it. And I'll show you my cycle now. So that's my cycle, and it's time for me to go back home. I'll take a U-turn from here, and I'll be taking that road, the road straight ahead. So that will take me home. So without wasting time, I need to get back to my cycle because my son would be waiting at home. He gets up early in the morning and then he looks for me. So if I'm not at home, then he'll be anxious. So I must go home soon. Yeah. So please come along until I reach home. So guys, I just reached home. It's 8:05. I got a little late. I had to go to a grocery store to get milk and some other grocery items. So I got that and came. So finally I'm at home, and yeah, I'm going to the first floor. There is my home. So now my son would be waiting for me anxiously, so I'll be just seeing him. He'll be very happy. And thank you so much for joining me. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.